The Blue Oval Company comes with 3 completely different EcoBoost engines for the 2026 Ford Bronco, and choosing the wrong one could leave you with serious buyer's remorse. If you're tired of confusing engine options that don't match your actual needs, this breakdown will solve that problem by showing you exactly which powertrain fits your driving style. Most buyers think all Bronco engines are basically the same with minor power differences, but Ford engineered each one for totally different purposes that could save or cost you thousands. Number 3. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6. There's nothing more frustrating than being stuck behind slow traffic when you need to merge onto a busy highway or pass a struggling RV on a mountain grade. Ford's 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 eliminates that worry completely, delivering 315 horsepower on regular fuel or 330 horsepower on premium, paired with 415 pound-feet of torque that arrives exactly when you need it most. One of the biggest headaches with turbocharged engines is dealing with reliability concerns from complex systems, but Ford solved this problem with a compacted graphite iron upper block and aluminum lower section, therefore creating durability that handles demanding use. The engine includes twin turbochargers with electrically actuated wastegates and Ford's advanced dual injection system, but what matters most is that 165 cubic inches of displacement delivers smooth, predictable power that makes every drive more confident. When you're wondering if your SUV can handle that upcoming on-ramp merge, performance numbers matter. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost accelerates from 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds, which puts this Bronco ahead of most family sedans. Quarter-mile performance hits 15 seconds at 92 miles per hour, therefore eliminating worry about having enough power for highway driving. If you've ever felt stress while towing up steep mountain passes, this V6 maintains the same 3,500-pound towing capacity as the base engine, but additional torque makes sustained towing feel effortless instead of nerve-wracking. And despite the impressive performance, fuel economy remains pretty decent at 17 to 18 miles per gallon combined, which seems pretty good considering the Bronco's weight and lack of aerodynamics. Ford offers this engine as standard equipment on the Strop Edition 2-door model, but it remains available as an upgrade on Outer Banks, Heritage Edition, and Badlands trims for about $2,000 extra when compared to the base Turbo 4. The engine pairs exclusively with Ford's 10-speed Select Shift automatic and works seamlessly with advanced features like Trail 1-pedal drive that's exclusive to V6 powertrains, therefore providing enhanced control that makes challenging terrain feel manageable. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost targets serious off-road enthusiasts and performance-oriented buyers who need additional capability beyond the base engine. This powertrain works best for regular towing users and those prioritizing quicker acceleration with automatic transmission operation. That balanced performance sounds impressive, but if you think 330 horsepower is powerful, wait until you see what Ford's flagship engine delivers when money is no object. Number 2. The 3-liter EcoBoost Raptor V6. Most off-road enthusiasts face a painful choice between owning a capable trail rig that's miserable on the highway or a comfortable daily driver that can't handle serious adventures. Ford's flagship 3-liter EcoBoost V6, exclusive to the Bronco Raptor, eliminates this compromise completely, delivering 418 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 440 pound-feet of torque that makes every drive feel like a performance car experience wrapped in extreme off-road capability. The fear of destroying your expensive SUV during extreme adventures disappears when you understand that Ford performance engineers developed specific calibration, enhanced cooling systems, and improved airflow modifications that handle punishment, destroying conventional powertrains. This 90-degree V6 configuration features a 10.5-to-1 compression ratio with direct injection requiring premium fuel. But what you get is confidence that your engine won't quit when you're miles from civilization. When you're staring down a competitor at a desert race or trying to keep up on challenging trails, performance becomes critical. The Raptor accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds, with independent testers achieving quarter-mile times of 14.9 seconds that put this SUV in sports car territory despite weighing 5,778 pounds with standard 37-inch BF Goodrich tires. Now, here comes an important benefit of this engine. Towing capacity increases to 4,500 pounds, which is 1,000 pounds more than standard models, thanks to enhanced cooling and robust construction. However, this extreme capability requires a bit of sacrifice, as fuel economy reflects the performance focus with EPA ratings of 15 city and 16 highway miles per gallon, therefore requiring larger fuel budgets during adventures. Ford offers this engine exclusively in the Bronco Raptor 4-door configuration for nearly $80,000 MSRP, which represents a significant $10,000 reduction from previous pricing. This includes Ford's 10-speed select shift automatic and advanced 4-wheel drive with Dana 44 Advantech front and Dana 50 heavy-duty rear axles. The transfer case provides 3.06 to 1 low-range ratio with 4.70 to 1 axle gearing, therefore creating up to 67.7 to 1 crawl ratio that makes impossible-looking obstacles manageable. Standard equipment includes Haas 4.0 suspension with Fox Live valve dampers that adjust hundreds of times per second, therefore providing confidence to attack terrain that would sideline conventional SUVs. Professional reviewers like Motor Trend call the Raptor might be the best factory-built off-road rig ever created, delivering surprising on-road refinement despite extreme capability. The 3-liter EcoBoost Raptor targets affluent performance enthusiasts who prioritize extreme off-road capability over fuel economy. This engine works best for buyers planning desert racing, rock crawling, and extended adventure travel where maximum capability justifies premium pricing. So the Raptor delivers ultimate performance, but most buyers don't need 418 horsepower for weekend adventures, which brings us to Ford's surprisingly capable foundation engine. Number 1, the 2.3-liter EcoBoost Inline 4. The biggest fear when buying a base engine is discovering you've chosen inadequate power that leaves you frustrated during daily driving. Ford's 2.3-liter EcoBoost Inline 4 eliminates this worry completely, delivering 270 horsepower as well as 315 pound-feet of torque that provides more capability than most buyers will ever need. One of the most annoying problems with turbocharged engines is poor throttle response that makes city driving feel sluggish. But Ford solved this issue by adding dual fuel injection technology, combining direct and port injection. This 138.4 cubic inches with 10.0 to 1 compression ratio and aluminum construction represents modern engineering that eliminates the rough, unresponsive character plaguing earlier designs. The embarrassment of being left behind at traffic lights disappears when you realize this base engine achieves 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds, with 4-door automatic variants hitting times that keep pace with most family sedans. If you've experienced frustration owning a vehicle that can't handle your boat or trailer, this base engine achieves towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, matching the more expensive V6, therefore proving base doesn't mean compromise. The anxiety of poor fuel economy destroying your budget disappears because this engine delivers EPA ratings of 20 to 22 miles per gallon combined, making it the most efficient option while maintaining full off-road capability, including 33.5-inch water fording depth and approach angles up to 47.2 degrees. Ford offers broad availability for the 2.3-liter EcoBoost as standard equipment on base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, Heritage Edition, and Badlands trims. Starting prices range from $39,000 for base to $51,500 for Heritage Edition, therefore providing the most affordable entry into authentic Bronco ownership. This engine uniquely offers both 7-speed manual and 10-speed automatic options. The manual remains exclusive to the 2.3-liter, therefore giving driving purists the engaging experience they crave. The automatic adds $1,795 to manual-equipped trims, but the V6 upgrade costs over $2,000, therefore making the 4-cylinder with automatic excellent value. Professional reviewers praise its capability even in the 4,600-pound 4-door model, stating it feels strong and accelerates effortlessly, while owners confirm the base engine was barely an issue on the toughest obstacles. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost targets budget-conscious off-road enthusiasts and first-time Bronco buyers who want authentic capability without premium pricing. This engine works best for daily drivers with weekend adventure needs and those prioritizing fuel economy over maximum performance. Ford's strategic approach creates clear differentiation across different buyer segments. The 2.3-liter 4-cylinder offers genuine off-road capability at the most accessible price with meaningful improvements, but the 2.7-liter V6 provides balanced performance for serious enthusiasts needing additional capability without extreme pricing. The 3-liter Raptor delivers flagship performance for affluent buyers willing to pay premium prices for maximum capability that eliminates all compromise. So here's the bottom line. The 2.3-liter 4-cylinder eliminates the worry of overpaying while delivering genuine capability that most buyers never fully use, the 2.7-liter V6 justifies its premium by solving the frustration of inadequate power during towing and highway driving. And the 3-liter Raptor removes all compromise for buyers who refuse to accept limitations regardless of cost. Ford engineered these three powertrains to serve completely different lifestyles. Therefore, understanding your actual driving needs versus your perceived wants will determine whether you drive away with the perfect Bronco or spend years wishing you'd chosen differently. But the final decision can't be made without checking out the key rival, so make sure to take a look at our review of the 2026 Jeep Wrangler you can now see on the screen. If you think choosing between these two comes down to nothing more than aesthetics, this video will prove you wrong. Not only does the Wrangler use a completely different approach to engine philosophy, but it also comes with several important updates for the next year that could make all the difference.